Welcome back to the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. And today, we're spotlighting the vibrant pink oyster mushroom, scientifically known as Pleurotus Djamor. Let's get started. The pink oyster mushroom stands out with its striking, flamboyant pink hue, which unfortunately fades when cooked. Its delicate, vibrant colors are not just a visual treat, but also an indicator of its freshness. Native to tropical regions, the pink oyster mushroom grows rapidly and can colonize a substrate in a matter of days. It thrives in warmer temperatures compared to other oyster mushroom varieties. While many mushrooms are praised for a deep, earthy flavor, the pink oyster mushroom offers a somewhat unique taste profile, and it is often compared to somewhere between seafood and common mushrooms, with a slight hint of unease. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey with the pink oyster mushroom. Visit the Mushroom Network's marketplace to explore its genetics and so much more. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mushroom Network YouTube channel for even more fungal wonders. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the other side of the veil.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.